Clara Louise Maass was a nurse who gave her life to advance knowledge and prevention of yellow fever. She is one of the giants of nursing. I am so proud that her legacy is honored by the outstanding hospital that bears her name, Clara Maass Medical Center. And we are extremely excited that she has been named to the 2017 New Jersey Hall of Fame. Her legacy also lives on in the work of 10,000 nurses of RWJBarnabas Health who deliver quality, compassionate care to our patients and their families throughout the state. Now you will hear from some of the nursing leaders of Clara Maass Medical Center who are constantly inspired by the pioneering life of Clara Louise Maass.
I'm delighted to be able to share a little bit about Clara Louise Maass with all of you. Our hospital is named after Clara Louise Maass. We are Clara Maass Medical Center. Clara Louise Maass is a nurse who assisted Walter Reed during the Spanish-American War, and she was located down in Cuba, wanting to help Walter Reed understand how he could create a vaccine for the yellow fever. Clara specifically had offered herself up to be bitten by a mosquito infected with yellow fever. And on the third time she was bitten, unfortunately, Clara Louise Maass could not sustain that mosquito bite. She had become very ill and she knew she was dying. She had written her last letter back to her family, to her mom specifically, with all the money she had, to let her mother know that she was being well taken care of down at the facility in Cuba and that she would be in very good hands.
She ranks among the titans of nursing, and her legacy is one of selfless compassion that has benefited all of humanity through her participation in research for a cure to a deadly disease. Nurses are dedicated to advancing our profession through research, and Clara Maass is a symbol of our profession's passion for research and inquiry.
When I first learned that Clara Louise Maass was going to be inducted to the New Jersey Hall of Fame, I felt honored to be working at Clara Maass Medical Center. And I felt proud to be a nurse because she started the very foundation of nursing early on, and that still resonates up until today.
I would say I'm inspired by Clara Louise Maass to give my very best every day. Just as she gave her life for the profession of nursing, I give my best every day as Director of Education to help support our current staff and newcomers so they can go out and take excellent care of our patients each and every day.
Since I've started at Clara Maass, I find myself pulling into the driveway and walking over the bridge and saying, Clara Louise, okay, it's another new day. Give me the patience I need and the ability to keep my patients safe and to make the right decisions for my staff and my physicians. And because I know her history, it's inspired me to being a little of what she was as a woman first and then as a nurse.
The School of Nursing is only a small piece of what she has done, and it feels great to be in this elite club, if you will, of graduates from her school, and I'm so happy for her that she's finally being recognized for all the work that she did.
I am delighted beyond belief that Clara Louise Maass has been named into the New Jersey Hall of Fame. This is a great day for all nurses throughout the state and throughout our country. I say our nurses' caps off for Clara Louise Maass on being inducted. Congratulations.